Yo, what is up, guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually start affiliate marketing without showing your face. Yes, it is really possible to actually start affiliate marketing without showing your face, and I'm gonna show you guys two methods on how you guys can actually get started doing this method with these social media platforms. Yes, you guys do have to create content, or you guys could do it another way that I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So if you guys do not know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other people's products, and you guys get a specific link where you guys tell people to click on, and whenever someone clicks on your link, you get a commission. You know, because that link is specifically to you, so the company that you guys are promoting knows who to give the commission to. So that's what basically affiliate marketing is. So what I want to show you guys is actually if you guys go on YouTube and create a free YouTube account, you guys could easily just do that just by signing in, creating a Google. That's how you guys could start creating a YouTube channel, just by creating a simple Google account, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys a way how people actually show you guys how to not show your face, and how you guys can actually start affiliate marketing this way. All right, so I'm gonna go on Google search. You guys could easily just do this. You guys could easily do this yourself. Just put headphones on. I'm gonna put headphones because I've seen a lot of people actually do it like this. So alright, the first one that actually popped up is because I've seen this one before, and I like the way he actually started doing it. Okay, but I don't know why he does not have affiliate links on his description, which he should, because he's missing opportunities right there. So does not show his face whatsoever on any of this this whole video, and I'm gonna put play for you guys so you guys can see what I mean. The way he does it, it's not gonna show any sounds, so I'm just gonna show you how he actually does it, and I'm gonna tell you how you guys can do it the same way. He basically just shows his hands and the product that he's talking about. That's all you guys literally need to do to start doing affiliate marketing without showing your face. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys another method that people, you know, when they start showing their face, they do it that way. As you can see here, he's basically just talking about the products, showing you guys what it is, what's the difference between these headphones and the other headphones, and just giving you guys an honest review. As you can see, he just has his hands there and doing a voiceover, and that's basically what he's doing. Okay, if you guys do not like even listening to your voice, or don't want to do it this way, there is another way that I'm gonna show you guys later on, but it will cost you a little bit of money to do this. All right, but if you guys want to do the free method, this is the free method that you guys do yourself without showing your face, just talking to the mic. And even with this, if you guys want to do digital products, all you gotta do is cut off this camera right here and just start talking on the mic and just showing your screen, and that's it. You know, even when you guys do cooking, all you gotta you guys could do voiceovers and just put the food there, start cooking, and put the affiliate links down below what tools you're using, and yeah, that's how you guys could do it. When you guys get started with affiliate marketing, I want you guys to pick a niche that you guys are comfortable in or are interested in learning about. Then what you guys want to do is actually pick a product. The best affiliate program for beginners is called Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is pretty good because Amazon has a lot of products you guys can actually choose, but they're not the best as the commission, but best for beginners. But yeah, that's how you guys could do it with YouTube without showing your face. You guys could literally just talk over the product and just put the product there, start using your hands to move it if it needs to be moved and stuff like that, and that's how you guys could do it without showing your face. Later on, people do feel more comfortable showing their faces, but that is one of the best ways. If you guys really want to just be behind the scenes, I'm gonna show you guys a good method here. All right, what you guys want to do is actually just go to Fiverr, all right, and look in go to Fiverr and just type in TikTok ads or TikTok videos, whatever you guys, to find the best ones. TikTok ads. You guys can literally see right here that some of these cost 15 bucks, 35 bucks, 10 bucks, 35, 60, 10, 10, 5, 50, so forth and so forth. All right, these are actually, you guys can actually hire these people to actually do the videos for you, and you can start posting them on YouTube or on YouTube Shorts and on TikTok. And I'm gonna tell you guys how I know this method works is because right here, this person actually hired her to do all the stuff for them. Okay, he basically hired this girl to do all the videos, and he just posts it, and it's completely behind the scenes. And you guys can see this. If I click right here, it's gonna be to an affiliate link, and it's an affiliate link that they started promoting that basically talks about social media. No experience required. You start taking the test. This is an affiliate product that they're promoting. Okay, he basically hired this person to actually start promoting, to start creating content, and he just starts posting it. And the reason why I know this is because as you look here, you go to Fiverr. This is the same girl. Her name is Alex Vaughn. Right here, this is the one that I'm pretty sure he used, because it says I will make a TikTok video ad, but she does cost $25. But I've seen the videos and they're pretty good, so I highly recommend using this girl too. You could use to start promoting your content, or if you guys do not just wanna you guys will also want to do the YouTube method I just showed you, but you guys do not want to do your voiceovers and stuff like that and just create the content, you guys can literally just hire her to do it for you. She does do British voiceovers because she is British. She does have an accent, so that's why she put it right there. So hers is 10 bucks to actually get started. A spokesperson, or a voiceover for an audiobook if you guys are interested in that too, but that one's a little bit more, 150. So yeah, but yeah, as you can see here, she does the TikTok ads, the British voiceovers, and the spokespersons and stuff like that. Like but that's a little bit expensive. But what you guys really do need is just this one or this one, okay, to actually help you guys get started using this method. But these videos are pretty high quality, I believe so. Just the reason why I know how this is actually ran by somebody else too is because he actually made a YouTube video on this to how he started with this. His YouTube is Chad, I believe. I forgot his other name, but he's a pretty known affiliate marketer. So this actually looks pretty good to actually help you guys get started. If you guys want to follow this method and use this method, you guys could. You guys could usually do it with any type of niche. You don't have to do it with the work from home. You guys could do it easily from any niche, And all you gotta do is send her the video of what you guys want her to do, and that's basically it. That's how you guys could do it. You could put it on, and the best part about it, when you guys do this, you guys could put it on TikTok, you guys could put it on Instagram Reels, you guys could put it on Pinterest, even YouTube Shorts. So that's why I highly recommend you guys using TikTok, because you guys could repost them on all these social media platforms to get the maximum exposure you guys want. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, guys, that's basically it, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace.
With me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me.